So, hello friends, welcome back to LT Education. So, we will be configuring the absence types. Okay, we'll be going through the absence type creation step by step. So, first of all, we will go to SPRO screen. We click on SAP reference IMG, and after that, we will go to time management. Under time management, we will go to time data recording and administration. Under that, we will go to absences. Under absences, we will go to absence catalog, and then we will be grouping our absence type as per the personal survey, as per the personal survey area grouping. So we will be selecting the personal area for which we want to configure our absence, and we will be grouping that absence in the personal area grouping. So for this personal area, we'll be grouping them under PSC grouping 40. You can take your any random number. It's not particular you have to take 40. But so, for example, we will be configuring the absence for this personal area under the personal sub area grouping 40. Okay. So this is the first step. We will save our transfer. Thank you.